Today we'll explain how to delete a Google account without losing any data or deleting anything. What we're going to do to delete that Google account is, well, the first thing we're going to do is watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can solve this. Account. We're going to explain exactly how to delete a Google. Easy and simple in the fastest way. The first thing we're going to do is the following. We have 3 options to delete. Well, not 3 options. We only have one option to delete that Google account that we no longer want. We'll go directly to Settings. Then, being here in Settings, we'll scroll down, and go here. 2 options will appear, Account and Google. You can go to Google. Here in Google, it won't give you the option to delete the account. It won't give you the option. But here in Account, we'll select Account. It will give us the option to delete it. We click here where it says Manage Account. Here we select the account that we want to delete. And we'll click here where it says Remove. When we click Remove, it might ask you for the account number. If you have several accounts, it won't ask you. It won't ask for your screen lock, but if you have the last account, it will ask for that screen lock. You'll click OK. Enter your screen lock, and it will automatically delete all the Google accounts on your device. In one of the easiest and fastest ways without needing a PC.